Hello, welcome everybody. This is Manoj Varman and I am back with my series of videos called Anubhuti. And you must be wondering why sudden change in the language, because all my previous videos were in Hindi, but responding to the demand particularly from my friends and subscribers from outside India, I have decided to do this particular episode in English. I hope those who prefer Hindi will not mind it. Pretty soon I'll be back to my favorite language, Hindi, with the next episode. Now there was some gap between the last video that I did and this one, and there's a reason for that. And the gap actually started to happen because of the medical condition of my daughter. She was admitted in a hospital, followed by her admission into ICU. So there were things which put me on a back foot, and everything which could stopped. But I'm back and the life has to continue. And that's what this theme of the video will be about. That the show must go on. And even during those difficult days when my daughter was in the hospital, I managed to continue the life, and I will try to bring some of those glimpses to you. But this is just the introduction to the video which is coming up, and the reason for that is that I don't want to miss this opportunity of showing you this terrific location where I'm in at the moment. This is a lovely morning, lovely Saturday morning here in Maharashtra, and I'm right at the bank of Dhom Dam Reservoir with its lovely blue water behind me and fantastic backdrop of the mountains. This is a stunning location which has attracted creative directors from Bollywood and outside India to this location in the past. So I just didn't want to miss this. This reservoir has been created by a dam which is called Dhom Dam in Maharashtra. So if you're around any time here, please do visit this. This is not too far from the hill stations of Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. So I'll soon come back to you with the theme of this video, which is the show must go on. Despite the setbacks in life, you must continue to live the life with all the passion that you can muster up. So with that message, I'll sign off from Dhom Dam, but I'll continue this from different locations.